So I ordered Nike Canyon sandals in size 40 and 46, and I'm just going to take this out for you. So here is the thing, Nike Canyon sandals. First of all, we just have to have a look around, and then I shall give it a little review. So here is the thing. They actually feel very lightweight. I thought they would be a little heavier, but they feel very soft, and they feel lightweight. So here's the thing, one extra, you have the strap, you have this section that actually gives the grip to your feet, and over that they have given this extra velcro section here as well. So we have 2 and we have 3. So we have 3 extra straps that actually cover the basic design of the shoe. You can see the basic design. The upper, they have this Nike, they have their own research textile that they used in the upper, and a dual density foam outsole, which means that they have used a high density and a low density foam to give this feature to the shoe for comfort and shock absorption. Looking at the outsole, the design actually varies as per the section of the sandal to give you a lot of grip, I believe. And looking at the thickness of the midsole, I can tell you it's going to be a very comfortable ride. So here is the sandal. Looks great, triple black, and these come in various colors, but I prefer this one, and I'm happy with the product that I've just reviewed for you.